Overall, I would rate your resume a 7 out of 10. Yung pagkakasunod-sunod, laging mauuna si experience, so good. And then, yung other sections, okay naman yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Yung languages section, tanggalin mo na yan since yung applyan mo namang role is hindi naman related sa bilingual. Itong section na ito yung pinakamahalaga, which is work experience. Napansin ko, wala kang bullets and isang paragraph lang sila kada entry. Mahirap siya basahin ng recruiter pag ganun. So I suggest you turn it into bullets. Lagi ko sinasabi sa mga resume reviews content ko that we use 3-step process to create a bullet. Strong action verb, specific task, result. For example, let's take the first sentence sa paragraph mo. Audited sales and expenses across multiple branches. So also, yung strong action verb should also be in the past tense. Then, nilagay mo rin yung ginagawa mo mismo, pero kulang ka ng result. You audited sales and expenses across multiple branches and supporting full cycle accounting and tax compliance. Then what? Meron kang strong action verb and then your specific task, pero wala kang result sa huli. Bakit strong action verb? Para ma-exaggerate yung experience mo and it shows them na malaki yung impact na ginawa mo sa previous company mo. Iwasan natin yung mga assisted, supported, yung mga parang second in command ka lang. Overall, I would rate your resume a 7 out of 10.
Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixresume.io.